The greatest engine Toyota ever gave us, the 1UZ. Why is a 100 Series Land Cruiser a 5-figure car, while first-gen Sequoias with the same drivetrain are a tenth of the cost? I mean, there's always a tax on Toyota Land Cruiser. Even the LXs are cheaper than Land Cruisers from this generation.
Which is surprising.
Well, some of them had this hydraulic suspension thing. The original Sequoia had the same powertrain, and honestly, the Tundra too. They run forever, because the 4.7 is the greatest engine Toyota ever gave us.
The Land Cruiser famously is a 25-year car. Like, all the components are intended to last longer than a Sequoia component.
But I would argue, though, especially if you buy from the Southwest, it's not rusting, and then you get the 4.7. That's a 25-year car.
Honestly, you should buy Sequoia. Just everybody.